Today, I am going to show you guys how we can create a simple spotlight in Blender. First, I am going to create a spotlight using simple shapes. You can decrease playback speed if you want to follow the steps. As you can see, we are going to use just the basic shapes because modeling the spotlight is not as important as the lighting effects. We will add basic God light and give basic colors to our 3D creation. Now, select the part which will serve the purpose of main light source element and go to Material Properties and select Emission and then select Bloom in Render Properties. Set the appropriate emission power. We will take a basic shape on which light will fall. Now, go to Add and select Light and select Spot and adjust lighting settings. Lighting effects are better demonstrated when a plane mesh is selected as base. You can give desired color to the spotlight. And we are done. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.